You'll have love at first sight with the 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The trend-setting Grand Caravan delivers spacious seating for 7 with plenty of creature comforts, convenient versatility, and the power to make your drive fun and relaxing. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: power liftgate, electronic stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, aluminum wheels, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering. You'll rediscover the fun of the road trip in the family-friendly Grand Caravan. Come in for a test drive today.